In this video, I'm going to provide an overview of the viewer and its major components, and then I'm going to talk about ARW and PRW layers and show you what they consist of. On the left-hand side of the viewer, we have the layers list. On the right-hand side, we have the tasks, which are divided between upper and lower panes. The upper pane consists of the Select Features tasks. The lower pane consists of the Map Features tasks. Those two sets of tasks are used in conjunction with each other, as I will explain in a future video. Along the bottom of the pane is the Base Map Gallery, which consists of aerial imagery and topographic maps. And then if you click this button, the attribute table opens up. And once we select some features using a task, we have the option of viewing the selected features down here in the attribute table, so we can look at the records, see what they consist of, and even select some of them and display them on the map if we would like. So now we are looking at a group of PRWs and ARWs. The light blue are the PRWs, the purple are the ARWs. Let's click on some of these features to see what they consist of. So let's click on that ARW. As we can see, it just contains the owner name and then the acreage of the ARW. Now, ARWs are defined as being at least 90% contained within a single property. So we have both the acres in the property, the acres of the ARW, and we have the original acres, which are essentially the acres of the PRW that the ARW was derived from. The ratio of the acres in the property to the original acres are always 0.9 or greater. In this case, it's 0.97. Let's click on a PRW. Okay, basically the same information, except this figure, this ratio of acres in the property to original acres will be less than 0.9. In this case, it's 0.64. As you can see, the PRWs are broken by property lines. So this PRW, it's part of one larger PRW, but they are divided along property lines. Now, what if we want to get owner address information because we want to contact some landowners? Well, we have to open up or display the PRW properties and the ARW properties. Okay, if we click on a PRW property, we'll see that that contains the owner mailing address. And the same goes for the ARW properties, just basically the same information. This tax status, that just means it's a private property. Exempt properties are going to be public properties by and large, or perhaps in some cases nonprofit owned properties. So that is what the ARW and PRW layers consist of, as well as ARW and PRW properties layers. In the next video, I'm going to talk about using the tasks to select ARWs, PRWs, and the properties within specific areas like townships or watersheds.